In front of me is BLUBOO S8, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first, just click on the settings icon, now go to display. From the following options, click on wallpaper, and now it's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. So it can be either one from live wallpapers, something from your Google Photos, themes, or wallpapers. And I will click on theme because I would like to pick one from the default themes. Here you've got it. And let me choose, for example, this one. And you can add some special effects if you want to. Just click here, and now you can pick them, but I would like to switch it off. And if you'd like to apply it, just click on apply. And finally decide if you would like to have it on your lock screen only, on your desktop, or maybe on both. And I will pick the third option, so set on both. And here it is. As you can see, from now on you've got this brand new wallpaper on both home screen and also the lock screen. And that would be all. This is it. This is how you can change wallpaper in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.